Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone and accessories can handle fast charging. This prevents damage and maximizes speed. Once done, plug the certified cable and adapter to the port and open Fast Charging Pro. You'll be prompted to grant battery, USB, and notification permissions. Allow them. These permissions let the app monitor current, control charging phases, and display real-time stats, so grant foreground service access now. Make sure battery health is above recommended thresholds for best results. Next, choose the charging mode that matches your goal. Turbo for fastest, balance to extend battery life, or trickle for top-up. You'll see presets, use them if you're unsure, then set a target percentage and max current. This controls heat and cycle stress. Once configured, enable thermal management so the app reduces current if temperature rises, and turn on cable connection detection to pause when unstable. These settings balance speed and battery longevity, so adjust gradually and monitor the app's real-time feedback during the session. Finally, monitor the session using the app's voltage, current, and temperature graphs. This tells you how charging evolves and when to unplug. Once you hit the target percentage, use the scheduled end or auto stop to cut power and protect the battery. If charging stalls or speed drops unexpectedly, restart Fast Charging Pro, try a different certified cable, and confirm permissions remain enabled. Those fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, pause charging and inspect the adapter and port for debris or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.